Hello everyone, welcome back to English Odyssey with me. Right now, I am in the field and I have come here to practice speaking. And right now, I would like to share with you how I practice speaking every day. And so, let's begin. Every day, first of all, I practice with my friend every day because I have some friend. He always practice with me, and we every day share some topic in our group. So that's why some friend always is active here to practice speaking. So that's why we come on video call and we share our thought. Okay, and we share our topic and we can practice every day by sharing topic because every day um, I learn about the topic and I can explain the topic in our to our other friends. So it's very helpful because to make our fluency. I think you can also do it, and I also do every day. I at least 5 or 6 what I learn because every day it's very important. Without learning vocabulary, you cannot be able to make sentence. You cannot understand the fluent speaker, the native speaker. So it's very important. And whenever I try to memorize the word, I try to use it in sentence because when you will use the word in sentence, it will be able to. It will make you to skill, and you can able to make sentence by this. Okay, so day by day in this way you can improve your vocabulary. Okay, and I always listening to native speaker because it's also crucial for a beginner because if you don't understand foreigner, if you want to go abroad, that time it will be very hard for you to understand the foreigners. And if you go abroad, if you cannot be able to explain your thought to other people, you cannot understand their culture without learning accent and without understanding the pronunciation or their accent. So it's very important listening, and you have to shadow. Other thing, you have to shadow the foreigners because shadowing also will make you very fluent speaker, and you can be able to understand their accent, which is very important. And some students have in our surroundings, they also taking preparation for IELTS because they also very need to understand the foreigner accent. With when he will take the mock test or final IELTS exam, they can understand their accent. If he don't understand, if he doesn't understand the accent, they cannot answer the listening test. Okay, so this type of things every day I do, which is very important for us. Okay, and also I explain the scenario every day with video because I always make videos in our surroundings because it also make us fluency. So you can also do it every day. Without your hard work, you cannot be fluent. So if you try your best to improve your fluency. Okay, and I came in my village to enjoy the vacation of the Ramadan and Eid al-Fitr. Okay, so I'm very much happy today um, by making these videos, and you can also do it every day. Okay, and you, if you like my videos, you don't forget share and subscribe and follow my Facebook page. Okay, till then I will come again in front of you with any topic. Okay, Allah Hafiz.